When it ventured into salt making way back in early 1980s, Tata was the first company to use vacuum evaporated technology. It gave salt a uniform feel and consistency. The company then sprinkled it with some iodine, creating a brand which it is still relishing with the country. From selling salt to making complex parts for cutting-edge fighter jets, Tata Group has always looked at new age technologies as enabler. Back in 1909, it established the Indian Institute of Science. It is still the country's top-ranking university, way ahead of IITs. In 1915, the company built Western India's first hydro plant. And TCS, which was founded in the late 1960s, needs no introduction. The conglomerate is now among the first movers in the field of green energy, semiconductor chips, and artificial intelligence.
They have the understanding of the technology space. TCS and Tata Technologies and many other companies within the Tata Group have always been in the cutting edge technology space. They have been in information technology, TCS being one of the largest players in the world. So they understand that space. The second thing which I think is very important is there is so much of internal opportunities, internal consumption opportunities, right? They can, Tata Motors can use a lot of their own technologies from other sister companies. So there is enough ground for them to test, enough ground for them to prove their technologies before they really roll out.
Back in 2022, Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekaran had said that the group has a 7.46 trillion rupees investment lined up for the next 5 years for its existing as well as new tech-based businesses. In green energy, the group has announced a combined investment of around 1.25 trillion rupees. The company is investing in a solar and wind energy plant in Tamil Nadu, an EV batteries plant in the UK, and a lithium-ion batteries gigafactory in Gujarat. According to reports, Tata's renewable energy currently accounts for 38% of Tata Power's generation capacity, which is expected to grow to 70% by 2030. Apart from chip manufacturing and the green energy push, the Tatas are also moving fast in adapting artificial intelligence solutions throughout their businesses. The company has partnered with California-based software company NVIDIA to leverage AI in Tata Motors, Tata Communication, and TCS. TCS will leverage NVIDIA's AI capabilities to build generative AI applications as well as upskill over 6 lakh employees. Both companies are also working on building an AI supercomputer. So what synergies can this new age reinvention bring to the Tatas?
When we talk of the 3 large groups in India entering into the new age cutting edge technologies, the best synergy lies with the Tata Group. Tata Power is the largest integrated power company in India, which has been in the forefront of adopting green energy. So it's quite natural that all these green energy initiatives would be front-ended through this company. Similarly, TCS is the top big tech company in India, and along with the rest of the technology companies in the group, like Tata Elxsi and Tata Technologies, they cover a large spectrum. So chips and AI is a natural extension. Coming to energy storage, which bridges the gap between the production and utilization. This fits well between Tata Power as a producer and building an extensive EV charging network on one side, and you have Tata Motors, which is spearheading EV production in India on the other side. So, in each of these, you'll find a strong thread connecting the Tata Group.
Tata, meanwhile, is also planning to build one of the country's largest iPhone assembly plants in Tamil Nadu. The facility aims to house 20 assembly lines and a workforce of 50,000 within 2 years. However, Tatas too have had their share of challenges in venturing into new age technology. Tata knew the group's super app venture failed to garner significant market traction since its launch in 2022. The group has therefore decided to give a booster shot of roughly 8,300 crore rupees in addition to the earlier investment of around 16,500 crore rupees to ramp up its operations. Needless to say, the conglomerate's transition towards sustainability places it in direct competition with the corporate behemoths like Reliance Industries and Adani. The two groups have been rolling out green energy projects in full spate. Gautam Adani has committed a sum of 2 trillion rupees, while Reliance has promised investments worth 1.5 trillion rupees in the coming years. So, going forward, will these three clash or complement one another?
Unlike others, the Tata Group has a strong thread connecting their existing businesses with the new age tech, so they are naturally better placed. However, in terms of animal spirit, I think the other two groups are far ahead. There may not be a clash as the market is expected to be much larger than the capacity each of them is talking of as of now. There would be a healthy competition. However, the possible challenge would be new technologies which could disrupt these. EV as of today is a buzzword, but what would happen to this space if there's a breakthrough in the hydrogen technology? I mean, these are the risks, but I'm sure those investing megabucks should also be having a plan B.
Analysts say that the Tata Group is continuously aligning itself with latest tech and futuristic products to remain among the top. This reinvention is backed by their long experience in technology. But there are challenges too, and Tata Group, with its deep pockets and long-term vision, can withstand disruptions, if at all it occurs.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She's working her way to the corner office. Business Standard.